Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Flexx the complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. Warm to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horus Lewis LB representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one in our stand. Surfer, ever at the man, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb, it's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the Dancehall Bomb fraternity, on today's episode of Dancehall Bomb, we have the NATO group out in full effect, and I'm referring to the Gully Side people. Yes, Flexx in the complex, the real war personnel people, the lyrical genius, did an interview yesterday, people, where he was disclosing some information as it resorts to some previous events in dancehall, people. He's definitely calling out Demarco, people. I'm gonna play that clip for you guys so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Check this out.
Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
One big belly wanna live down Atlanta. Where him name?
I mean,
Well, next
you mean down Atlanta? And don't tell me that.
run from Jamaica.
Don't tell me say a Demarco you talk.
We get on him forehead. This one little stain right here, sir.
Just
one little stain on his forehead.
Pass the light on the man. Come on here to the boss.
The Marco got a stain.
Don't stress me out to the right of me right now. Dog.
On him forehead.
Who you say?
Get on him forehead.
Who you talking about? You talking about Demarco? We are working.
Marco, wait. I'm full that dopey bat that afraid like puss.
I mean,
I see him go what?
I mean, afraid
Let me
like
just remember saying, no, I'm me do killy, you know. Call me Mr. Killy, you know. And say whether the fish there, Demarco, you know. In a them time there, after Cartel and Gully God start up them little vibes. Him gone take side now. You understand? And at this Gully God. You never have nothing to do with the war.
Now, people, at the time of the year, they again, you know. I mean, I tell you, say, when a song they drop with Flexx, I refer to call me Mr. Killy. Demarco a run and a gas up like an automobile. Him no want the Thompson with the wheel where Flexx are described in the song. Him no want face that. The man, they take himself out of Jamaica for real. Demarco is really not brave enough to step towards Flexx in the complex. Not saying Demarco is not a good artist, no, but lyrically, him nah go across them real warmonger there. Lyrically, nah, so him nah do it. Because him now get embarrassed, you understand? Him more likely to pick upon a baby, like what him do right now. Nah, say a baby, as in, say, Fully Bad is a pitney, you know. Fully Bad a big artist, but him is a baby in the business, so him nah go step to Flexx the man like Ira, Devabrat, them and them people, them nah do it. Because them man they are seasoned warriors. I mean, I take nothing from Demarco, but however, for a lyrical confrontation, you cannot manage them type of artists there. And the truth is the truth. If me wrong, people, left it in the comment section. But Mr. Leng, you need to book all man like Flexx in the complex. Fisting. Now, Earthlings, there's a clip of Damian Marley, aka Junior Gong, going around on social media of him having a good time on his Jamrock cruise. People, there's a lot of artists on that cruise, likes of Bounty Killer, Joshi, and much more. Now, people, Damian Marley was having a good time on the ship, people. He requested to dance with the fluffy people, so you know, so the man just entertain people. And the comments them where people are leaving in the comment section, so the man a disgrace him family. Why am I disgrace him family? The man is an entertainer, he's having fun. The man and dance to the man. You see the things them where people I try to make me a problem, and when them see certain things them not say. But may I play the clip for the people, I'm making to see really wagwan and leave a comment in the comment section if you feel say Damian Marley really disrespect him family through my dance. Check this out.
Yeah, man, I say no up top, boss. I'm represent Dancehall Bomb. Hey, Dancehall Bomb. I bet we fuck up in ya.
No, make sure writing up tempo. We need a performance. We need a performance. Stop. You said he need a performance. He need a tick. You have to be tick. Hold on. What a faster rhythm than that. Uh-oh. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? You have to find something fast. Oh. Bend over, lady. Yo, stop. Oh, you're about to jump over the speaker? Oh! Bend over, ladies. Bend over. Give it up to the captain! On the count of three, y'all say, hold on!
Now, ladies and gentlemen, leave your honest comment in the comment section towards this situation. Come on, like to really know what wrong with what Junior Gong do. The man never disrespect the woman. Me see a man push a woman off a stage the other day and nobody never care, you know. An artist a perform and a woman come on stage and the man chuck the lady off a stage and Junior Gong just enjoy himself, a dance to the lady. Him not pressure the lady, him not chew her down, him not jump up on her. Him basically just did do some gimmicks, people. Gimmicks. The man requests a fluffy. I tell me say, when I say the man disgrace him family. No man, people really gone mad. It seems like you know want the man trick himself in front of himself and do some other thing. Wonder that if the man that dance the male. Channel star. But people, more hear you have to say about this situation definitely. Leave your comment in the comment section. Ladies and gentlemen, rapper Kodak Black was arrested on charges of cocaine possession in Plantation, Florida on Thursday according to court documents. The musician, whose real name is Bill Capri, was also charged with tampering with evidence as well as probation violation and improper stop or park. So people basically what them say Kodak Black up on the side of the street in a Bentley, drugs out, and the police just pull up on him, I check up on him same way and find out say I do the wrong thing, hold on upon him. I have a clip right here so people may play it phone and I couldn't get to see it. But the youth are now learning, you know, the president of the United States let him out of prison the other day. Him could have make it look historic and just be good right through, and him just decide to say more and go back. I guess them like prison still, you know. Some of them have them people there where them really love and care about. But I feel them lifestyle. I check out a clip of people.
Dancehall Bam, enough of them represent for you, you know them dead.
Calvin, it was around 2 o'clock in the morning today. Police say they found the rapper behind the wheel of a black Bentley and he was passed out. This is where he was found here. This is the 600 block of Northwest 47th Avenue in Plantation. And take a look at his newest mugshot. Officers say when they opened the door to the vehicle, they also smelled pot and they smelled alcohol. And when they got him to come out of the SUV, the arrest report says they also noticed a white powder coming from his mouth. Police say the substance tested positive for cocaine, and they add he...
Now, ladies and gentlemen, can you believe a man like this even have a street name after him in Florida, in Broward County, Florida? A man like this up on the side of the street just jogs out like that. Time and time the man I go in and out of jail. The president of the United States give him a chance and pardon him and Little Wayne and release them out of prison. Little Wayne I keep himself to himself and do the right thing. Kodak Black find himself back in the same position. Now people, you cannot emulate these people. They are not idols. You see me I say, you see no matter how much money them have them life miserable. That's why you can't trick yourself and go do something more while for money. Because the money make them miserable. Him can't stay out of jail, him can't stay off of drugs. You have to be smart. Yeah man. Now people, it seems as if at Christmas time everybody are trying to make a money. Cause you have another one named Sauce Walka. I play the clip so you see what I go on. A lot of people who love hip hop and so forth may be familiar with this rapper, but check out what go on with this youth same way.
Gladys the God say yes, it's Queen representing for Dancehall Bam Bam Bam. Dancehall Bam Bam, we are bam them all crazy, never lazy. Up like heaven, but Gladys the God, the Queen is here.
A top story tonight on Fox26Houston.com. Houston rapper Sauce Walka is facing charges for leading police on a high-speed chase. Court documents say that the rapper, whose real name is Albert Walker Mundane, is charged with evading arrest. Law enforcement says that Mundane was driving 130 miles per hour for more than 2 miles until he crashed his vehicle. His first court appearance.
Now, people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.